Okay, everyone, can you guys hear me? Hello?
Yes,
Okay, Vinesh, right. I'm audible to everyone, right? Right, okay, from team leads. Okay, Amar, can you hear me? Amaruddin?
yes, sir.
Okay, Nisar can, okay. And regarding this, Chetan, yeah, Chetan won't join us, right? Okay, okay, right. Okay, so Amar, Amaruddin and Nisar, did you guys form the private WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And
Not
Amaruddin?
yet.
Okay, like just as soon as possible, like try to form it. Okay, and yeah, regarding the instructions. Okay, regarding the instructions. Okay, did you guys go through the instructions for the for this project? It is. Did you guys check the study? Like, what do you have to do? Like,
Yes, sir. We have. Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
okay, right. See okay. The second project is the market segmentation project, right? And before the real world problem, the first you have to at least study the PDF. Okay, so the first we have assigned the study task, and the study task, yeah. Regarding the study task, we have provided one book, right? The market segmentation PDF. So this book is like a very comprehensive guide, like very expensive guide on machine like market segmentation and actually they have one dedicated website means but they discontinued the website few weeks back. Okay, so right now you can't access this website, but it mainly consists of it mainly contain the PDF and the dataset links. Okay, so dataset links, what you can do is you can go here, okay, in the alternate link, and then we have compiled the data sets here properly, right? So you can find the data sets here, and these are the this I don't think this links will. Okay, wait, it's still working. Like the link is still working, right? Okay. And this is the sample project, and this is the sample project, and yeah. So basically, see now the study task is very simple. Okay, so you have to study the market segmentation. Okay, you fundamentally have to study the. Okay, Nisar, do you have any query?
No.
Okay, so you have to basically study the market segmentation PDF. Okay, so what are the main two tasks in this project? So the first is the summarization, right? Summarization of the market segmentation PDF, and then the second one is the replication. Okay, so if you visit the market segmentation PDF, okay, if you visit the market segmentation PDF, okay, everyone can see the PDF here. Everyone can see the
Yes.
PDF. Okay, so here if you come to the this steps of market segmentation. Okay, part 2, 10 steps of market segmentation. So there'll be like 10 steps of market segmentation, right? Deciding and specifying this, all collecting data and all. So basically these are like 10 steps, right? And then you have to divide the in for team. I'm mostly referring to the teams. So if you are a team lead, okay, your main task is to divide the steps. Okay, so so here step 1, 2, and 3 need to be studied by each intern. Okay, whether you are a team lead or not, you have to study this first three steps, and the remaining steps from 9 to 4, from 4 to 9, you have to divide among your team members. Okay, Nisar and Amaruddin. Okay, Chetan, can you hear me? Chetan. Okay, so basically, you have to divide the steps from 4 to 9 among your team members. Okay, let's say you assign step 4 and 5 to yourself, and then the next team member you assign 6 and 7, and so on, like that, right? So you have to divide the steps among your team members, and after the division, what will you do? What will everyone do? You have to study the steps in the 10 days, and you have to study and you have to summarize. Okay, whatever you studied, the PDF is very big. Okay, you won't be able to complete everything, so whatever you studied, you summarize it. Okay, you try to summarize it, like whatever you try to make notes and all. Okay, whatever you studied, whatever you understood, like that. Okay, and yeah, keep in mind that don't try to copy the materials. Okay, basically it's mostly understanding task, right? In summarization, like try to understand. Okay, like try to understand whatever you study. So don't try to copy or something, because it's for own good. If you understand the steps and topics, it will help you in the later stages. Okay, in the later projects. So this is the first task. Okay, so team leads, you need to divide the steps among the team members, and then you have to everyone has to summarize the means whatever step they are assigned, and then you have to like submit the means summaries reports to the team lead, and then team lead will compile everything in one report. Okay, and you have to submit the report. Okay, that is the main task. And the second task is the replication. Okay, replication of McDonald's case study. So there's if you come to the page, okay, if you come to the page around like 6 to okay, if you come to around 269 page, you will find one fast food case study. Okay, McDonald's fast food case study. So here, this is like a means example project, right? And you have to convert the case studies is done in R language. So you have to convert the McDonald's case study from R to Python. Okay, like from R to Python you have to convert. So basically, it's mostly for like understanding purpose. Okay, you can just search like what this code is doing. You have to understand, and like you have to try to replicate it into convert it into Python. Okay, and not every code will be means convertible. Okay, not every R code has Python equivalent. So like you so go step by step, right? Try step by step, like every steps, and then every codes. Then whenever you like find some code which can be converted, just try to understand what the R code did, and if you can't convert, then just leave it. Okay, right? So this is the main two tasks. Okay, and then if you come to the board, okay, everyone can see the board, right? Everyone.
Yes.
Okay. So basically, what you have to do in the study period, the team lead has to divide the steps, right? Divide the steps like from 4 to 9, right? Because 1 to 3 are compulsory. The 4 to 9. So 4 to 9 steps you divide the among the your team members. Okay, and then each team member will study the steps and summarize, right? And you make summaries and all. And then what you have to do, you have to submit the summaries along with the GitHub links. So GitHub links we'll discuss what you'll do. You have to submit the summaries along with GitHub links to the team lead. Okay, so this is like a group task. The first task is the group task, right? And this is like group task. So you study, you divide the task, you study, and then you submit to the team lead. Okay, this is the group task, and then the second one is the individual task where like even if you're in team, okay, you have to perform this individually. Okay, so we assign this individual because so that every intern, like every team member gets an idea, okay, of the whole process. So this second task is basically the McDonald's case study, right? So you have to replicate the McDonald's case study from R to Python language. Okay, you have to convert the like McDonald's case study from R to Python individually. Okay, and then you upload the files whatever you did, like you did in Jupyter or like PyCharm or anything, like any IDE. Upload in GitHub, upload the files on GitHub, and then provide the link, send the link to the team lead. Okay, and then you have to submit, like compile all this into one report. Okay, and then you have to submit, right? So that's fundamentally what you have to do in the second project. Okay, so like summarization and the code replication. Okay, and PDF you can find here, and the link to the data sets and all, like for here you can find an alternate link because the main link is not working. Okay, like the main link, I think like this they discontinued the website. So basically this link will work. Okay, like the alternate link. So for now, anyone has any queries? Anyone? Any queries for now?
So basically, the application task is to be done individually.
Right, right. Because it's the whole means it consists the whole process of market segmentation, right? So if you guys, everyone will do it individually, you will get an idea, okay, of the whole process. So everyone will have an idea of the whole process of market segmentation. So that's why you have to do it individually, okay?
So basically, when the step are divided among the members,
Right.
can we do it like that whichever the step is he or she is assigned to, he or she also
See,
needs to implement that and
like
other
the
result.
summarization part is completely different. Okay, like you assign a task and then you summarize, right? But regarding the replication part, you have to check everything. Okay, you have to see everything because it's mostly codes, right? So see, let's say you assign step 4 and 5 to yourself, right? So you're not in charge of steps 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Nisar, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
So let's say you assign yourself 4 and 5, for example, and then 6, 7, 8, 9. You are not in charge of the summarization. But in the replication part, you still have to check. You see what does 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What you have to do in the coding part. Okay. The summarization part you don't need to take care of. Okay. Just in the coding part, just try to see what is going on in each step. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So yeah.
And one more thing,
Okay. Yeah. More than.
as you said in the first step that after dividing the task
Okay.
from line.
Right.
After submitting, so while submitting the report,
Okay.
are they supposed to submit in the document form or
It's
in
up to
the
you. Okay. Like you have to see you have to submit the report, right? Summarization report in a PDF or doc file, and you can link the GitHub links. Okay. So basically, in your member, I think like there are 5 members, right, in your team. So each member will submit one GitHub link, right? So in the at the end of the report, like link the 5 GitHub links. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Right. It's simple as that. Okay. So basically, you submit the PDF in the report submission, and then at the end of the report, the GitHub links will be linked. Okay. And I think like there was one solo member. Okay, like there was one solo member. I don't remember his name. Okay, for if anyone is working individually, so individually, individually what you can do is so basically covering every step will not be possible. Okay, so try to focus on the coding part, okay, on the replication part. So the summarization part, like don't stress too much more. Like just try to focus on the step on the second task. Okay, like summarization, like that's not your main priority. If you're working individually, okay, if you're working solo, the summarization is not the main important. The replication is the more important part. Okay, right. Okay, Chetan, can you hear me? Yeah, I think it's offline.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Okay. Do you have any query for now? Like, did you form the team, like a private WhatsApp group, any group?
Yeah, I'm full day. I'm in a meetings, calls.
Okay, no, sure.
Then
Yeah. No, I mean,
one.
right. Try to form a private like WhatsApp group or Discord group,
Yeah,
whatever. Okay, with
sure.
your team members, and then discuss what steps they would like to ask. Okay, because see the summarization, whatever you cover, you still have to do the coding part, right? Because the coding part will give you the whole idea of the segmentation thing. So still coding will still have to everyone has to do individually. So yeah, just the summarization part, like try to summarize. And besides whatever steps you assign yourself or to your team members, you can study the whole PDF. Okay, it's like for understanding purpose, and you can also refer to like external sources like this a Kaggle, this a Kaggle. It's a very short project. Okay, Kaggle market segmentation with clustering for mall customer segmentation data. It's a very small study. So yeah, you can refer to external sources for this one and all. And okay, if anyone any more queries for now? Okay, Sakshi, Pratik, Gauri,
Is
right?
it compulsory summarization of statement
See,
with
yeah, like you have to submit the summaries, right? But see, the compulsory part is in it's mostly for the understanding part, right? Because in the real world task, like you may not have like you may not get any idea, right? Since this the PDF is a more in-depth guide, right? So it'll give a lot of like insights, what is market simulation and all. Okay, so like compulsory, obviously it's compulsory, right? That's the main two tasks, the summarization and the replication. Okay, Gauri.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, Gaurav, Deepika, Aradhya, and Jeevan, Sai. Do you guys have any queries for now? Okay, I will be sharing the okay, I will be sharing the recording of the session later on. Okay, you can like still check. And yeah, if any queries if any issues means arises regarding team coordination and means team coordination or okay, like if anyone is not contributing, or if you're like if your team lead is not it's not active in the project, just inform us. Okay, if let's say your team lead is not active, if any team member is not contributing or anything, like just try to inform us and we'll try to resolve the issue. Okay, and yeah, if any members leave in future, just inform us. Okay, and yeah, try to best to coordinate. So it's a very simple task, right? The summarization, and it's mostly summarization. You don't need to like interact a lot even with your team members. Just assign the steps and then mostly try to summarize. Okay, and the second task is mostly individual, right? So there won't be any issue, right? Okay, so I'm guessing no one has any more queries for now. Okay. Yeah, if any query arises later on, just reach out to the helpline channels. Okay, through number in the messaging and the call and all. Okay, right. Okay, like I will conclude the session here. Okay, thank you everyone for joining. Okay.